How to crochet a scrunchie. We need yarn, hook 4.0 millimeter. We also need scissors, darning needle, and an elastic band. Tie your yarn to the elastic band. Pull up a loop and then chain 2. We will be working with half double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into the elastic band, pull up a loop, and you will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and then pull through 3 loops. Continue working 1/2 double crochets into the elastic band until there are no more space for you to work with half double crochets. Slip stitch into the first half double crochet. For round 2, chain 2. Now work 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Work another 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Now work 3 half double crochets into the next stitch. Please repeat the pattern, 2 half double crochets into the next 2 stitches, and then 3 half double crochets into the next stitch. Into the last stitch, it doesn't matter how many half double crochets you will put. On my last stitch, I will be working 2 half double crochets. Now slip stitch into the first half double crochet. For round 3, chain 2, and then work 3 half double crochets into the same stitch. And then work 4 half double crochets into the next stitch. Just repeat the pattern, 3 half double crochets and then 4 half double crochets. And then your scrunchie will look like this. To end the round, slip stitch into the first half double crochet. You may cut the yarn. Weave the ends using your darning needle. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.